how to start and grow your YouTube channel in 2022 on a budget. Yes, on a budget. This is 2022 and you might be thinking that it's too late for you to start your channel, or you do not have exactly what it takes to start your YouTube channel, or how can you start a YouTube channel and grow it successfully while living on a budget? Well, if all of that is your question and your worry, I got you, all right? I got you. Today's video is for you. So sit back, relax, while we get straight into the video. Guys, like I said, today's video I'm going to be dishing out tips on how you can start, grow your YouTube channel to a successful level in 2020 while living on a budget. That sounds like a mouthful, you guys, but pretty much this video is about how you can grow your YouTube channel on a budget. All right, the first thing that you want to know, the very first thing that you want to know is you do not need all the fancy gadgets, all the fancy tools, all the fancy cameras to start a YouTube channel or to grow a YouTube channel. Specifically, if you're living in Nigeria, I'm a Nigerian content creator and I live in Lagos, and I have been creating content on my YouTube channel on a budget. All right, so first things first, before I get into these tips, if you're watching this video for the first time, if you're watching my channel for the first time, please do click the subscribe button and be a part of my channel. All right, that is the major way you can help in encouraging me to create more videos here on YouTube. While that is done, also click the notification bell beside the subscribe bell so that you always get notified when I post my videos. Now that that is sorted, let's get straight into the tips for today's video. The first thing, like I said, is you do not need major fancy gears and cameras, lighting and all of that for you to create a YouTube channel or for you to create content on your YouTube channel and grow it to a successful level. The first thing you want to know is that you can start from where you are. Like they always say, the best camera is the one that you have right in your hands. I know it's 2022 and you know quality is like top notch here on YouTube. Everybody is trying to create like top-notch videos and all of that, but let me tell you something. The content creators that you are seeing now and you feel like I want to be like, they all started from somewhere. Don't let anybody intimidate you and let you feel like, oh, these days you can no longer start with a phone, you can no longer start with this. Start with what you have. All right, while you're starting with what you have, try to see how you can make what you have the best that it can offer right now. I don't know if that makes sense. Pretty much, if you're starting with a phone, find out how you can use a phone successfully. Find out how you can manipulate your phone so much that people cannot even tell if you're creating your videos on a phone or on a digital camera. Make sure that your lighting is good. Make sure that your voice is audible. You know, make sure your audio is good, your lighting is good, and go ahead to create your content. All right, that is the first thing that you want to know. Let me know in the comment section if you want a detailed video on how to create videos and YouTube content on your phone, and I'll give you guys that. All right, now let's go straight into the second point. The second thing you would want to know on how to create a YouTube channel and grow it successfully on a budget in 2022 would be, what kind of content do you want to create? Certain kind of content are free to create. They are less expensive than others. If you're going into the food blogging or food YouTubing industry, you have to know that that is pretty expensive because you want to create certain type of meals that are acceptable. That is the norm. That is what you think. But let me tell you something. You can create dishes around what you eat every day as a food YouTuber. You eat every day, right? All you have to do is make sure that whatever it is that you're eating every day, you create it in a certain way that it is very appealing to the eyes. It is very appealing to people that are going to watch that video. So what you need to do is make your home meals, make the food that you guys eat in your home around the content that you want to create. Does that make sense? Good. That is how you can create content on a budget. All right, you don't need to start cooking prawns and using cooking cream in all your recipes when you really know you can't afford to do that. But you can cook plantain, you can make rice, you can make 10 different rice recipes because you have rice in your house, and show us creative ways that you can make rice while on a budget. People are going to watch that kind of video. All right, people are going to engage with that kind of content because it completely relates with them. So that's how you can find a niche or find a content to create around your budget. If you're going into the beauty industry, you don't necessarily have to like buy the most expensive makeup. If you're going into the fashion, you don't have to buy you don't have to start doing shopping hauls from all these big shops. You can actually do a thrift fashion haul. Do you understand what I'm saying? You can do like where you can thrift around your area, stuff like that. These are just ways that you can create content here on YouTube on a budget without actually going outside your budget, or without feeling like I don't have the content to post because I don't have the money to create it. That is the easiest way that you can go about that. Now, another tip, if you're living here in Nigeria, you would know that data is expensive. And to be a YouTube content creator means that you are posting YouTube videos. You are posting videos on your YouTube channel. And that is so expensive when you live here in Nigeria, because the data markets that we have here in Nigeria, or how like the data providers that we have here in Nigeria, are so freaking expensive. Excuse my language, but that's the truth. So let me tell you one trick, all right? Come close, come close, come close. Let me tell you one trick that I use and I still use. I try to get midnight data. Now, if something is important to you, you're going to go for it badly. You're going to find a way to go around it. Now, because my YouTube content is important to me, my YouTube channel is important to me, what I figured out was when I want to post videos during the day, they take a lot of data, they take a lot of time, and I end up spending money that I don't really have on data. So what do? I use midnight data, and you guys, it is so fast. The videos are uploaded fast. I have like about 6 gig to use in the middle of the night, and majority of the times I can upload these videos, schedule them to go up at a certain time. You know, I can even upload videos for 4 or 5 days, all right? And I just relax while my videos go up because I already did it in the middle of the night. The only thing is you have to be up at night between 11 p.m. to about 6 a.m. in the morning to make sure that you upload your videos. But you guys, nobody is going to know you uploaded it in the middle of the night. Nobody is going to know unless you tell them, all right? That is a major way to create videos and grow a YouTube channel here in Nigeria on a budget. I just gave you guys a major secret. Please give me my thumbs up. Clap for me in the comment section, all right? That is a major tip. Now, another tip that you would want to learn on how to create YouTube videos and grow a successful YouTube channel here in Nigeria on a budget, or wherever it is that you are, is define how badly you want. Define how badly you want that YouTube channel, how much you're willing to invest into that YouTube channel, and start to work towards it. I did not start, I am still not using the best gear or anything, but guess what? I am making little investments here and there to better my YouTube content. So pretty much, if it is important to you, you're going to learn how to start saving one way or the other towards it. And you guys, it is never too late. My people would say it is when you wake up that it's your morning. It is never too late to start that YouTube channel. Nothing should hold you back from starting your YouTube channel. I have seen certain YouTube channels that have millions of views. Their content is not top notch. They're not using light, or they're using daylight to film. You know, all these like rural kind of videos that show you how they're building a house in the mud, all that stuff. They're growing. Another tip that you would want to know on how to grow your YouTube channel on a budget is define your niche. Look for something that comes to you naturally, because that's where most people find the problem. Everybody wants to go to the niche that is blowing up. Everybody wants to go to the niche that, you know, sort of has the crowd, but you might not have the resources to do that. And because it doesn't come to you naturally, you're going to struggle. So look for a niche that comes to you naturally. Look for something that you flow with. If it's sitting down to talk, which is the cheapest kind of videos you can do here on YouTube, you can just sit, put your phone camera in front of you and talk. So long as you have something to say, so long as there's sense in what you're saying, your YouTube channel is going to grow. You're going to grow your audience, and before you know what's happening, your channel is up there, you're successful, and everything is going on well with you. These are major tips that I used while I was starting my channel. These are tips that I still use, and I'm giving them to you today for free because I love you so much. So if you've watched up to this point and you're not subscribed to my channel, come on, click the subscribe button and be a part of this family. Also hit the notification bell so you get notified whenever I post my videos. Leave for me in the comment section what tips you want me to share about YouTube, my YouTube journey, starting a YouTube channel here in Nigeria, and all of that in the comment section, and I'll definitely see to that. If you have learned 1 or 2 things from this video today, let me know in the comment section. All right, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.